Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and there are times when we need some of the human illustrations to use in our project. That can be anything: YouTube thumbnail, design projects, blah blah blah, anything you can think of. Okay, and there are literally plenty of resources already to get something like this, but getting in illustration that is reusable, repurposable, like you can mix and match it with other types, colors, hairstyles or body styles or anything like sitting and standing position, so something like this, and which is free. Obviously we need something free that is obviously commercially free, not just for personal use. Commercially free is obviously hard to find. Okay, so here's our today's what illustration collection, but it have a blush app configuration also, with which you can obviously use it. So obviously I don't know how you want to call it, just a bunch of illustration or a app, whatever it is. So let's get straight into the video. Okay. Oh, so here is our today's illustration collection, that is humans. Yes, pretty cool name. And this is a Webflow website, and this is just for like what, yeah, like just a regular website, like a landing page type. Here you will get nothing. Okay, this is just for just for showcasing the types and all, how can you use it and all. Okay, you can see the here that how many types of scenes you can use it for, how many characters are there, how many color combinations are there, and here are some of the screens. Do you know one thing? Signal app use human illustrations. Have you ever noticed that? I don't know, but when I last installed Signal, I have noticed that it uses humans illustration. So obviously, it's something really industry standard and industry grade. So no doubt in that. So let us see the whole illustration collection in Blush. Okay, obviously you can download it for your personal use, to use in your own software, but I will just showcase it for now at in human, no, not in humans, in Blush. Because obviously if you are in like hurry and if you just need to have a PNG or a SVG and just get going, so obviously you will not download the whole app, like whole collection, and search in that. So obviously if you click on this use with Blush, you will redirect to this page, and here you can see here are some of the basic poses. One is sitting, one is standing, and with some basic scenes also. Okay, like one character, two character, three character, and lots of other compositions also. Okay, there. Okay, so obviously it's a great tool, like a great tool to like mix and match all of those things. So I will just simply click on the sitting position and click on the edit, and from here you can obviously choose from different types of heads, and there are a lots of combination. Okay, suppose I want to choose this head, and there are lots of sitting position also, like if I want to choose this one instead of that, obviously I can do that. And I can choose between lots of hand position also, like if I want to choose this, simple, easy to use. And obviously if you don't care about anything, you just need a random picture, you will just click on shuffle, you will just create anything for you, like a shuffled image. And then obviously you can change the color of every particular portion from here, and you can obviously choose your own color. But I would prefer sticking to their color palette, because their color palette is much more managed. But if you have your own color palette, obviously you can use that. So obviously you can do something like that. I can do the skin like that or that, and top that. Yeah, pretty cool, right? And obviously I can add backgrounds too here, and filter is for pro. I can so just leave it for now, filter for now. So yeah, that's it. You can save it, share it, and download it. And download, you can download in obviously in small PNG version. And if you want to use it in SVG, I would say that you just download the whole collection and use it in your design software. Like you can use it in Figma, so obviously use it in there rather than the Blush. Okay, so that's it for this video. Let me know if you liked it or not. Okay, and if it's really useful for you or not. And rather than that, if you like my contents, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the cool apps, resources, great like web apps, websites, or something literally cool assets or something like that, please let me know about them also in the comment section so I can feature them in my future videos. That's it for now. Bye.